some people would say, psychology and all of that, but psychology, it fits in these rules. It fits in these like four rules. Why is like some people might say like, oh, I'm scared. So why do you think people are scared? So I have a client. She says she has a hard time taking the execution and she's missing opportunities because let me see what she said. Boom, boom, boom. Missing opportunities. Let's see what she say. She said taking every setup for my first, I miss easy setup sometime overthinking. Okay. So why do you think she's overthinking?
Because she doesn't have like her rules established. Like she doesn't have like maybe an edge established.
So that could be it, but I already give her the edge. So why don't she have an edge if I give it to her already? So that's one question she should be asking herself if that's the case. And that can be it. Now, if she has an edge, what else might be the problem?
Um, then she doesn't know um how much she's gonna risk or something like that. Like she's
Exactly.
scared of risking her
Exactly.
money.
Exactly. Boom. That means if she has an edge and she has a TP, why is she scared to enter? Is probably because she's scared, fear of either losing a trade or losing an account. Right?
Yeah.
So that's basically what psychology does. Like psychology is just to come down to the point of the root of is it fear or greed that's messing you up? That's the simple two things. Now, if it's fear, how the fuck can you get scared then? How can you get scared if you know you're risking 2% every single trade? There's a problem, right?
Mhm.
Because if you have the numbers, you put in the numbers, for you to blow your account 5K, if you have $5,000, it takes a lot. It takes a lot of trades for you to blow the account. Let me see. 5,000 minus 2%, that's $100. 5,000 divided by 100. It takes you probably about, and it's gonna get less if you're using fixed, but it most likely should take you over 60 something trades for you to blow the account. You think you're gonna blow the account in 50 trades in a row? No.
Mhm.
And that's really the bad calculation. It takes probably way more than that, actually. It should be in the thousands. Let me see. Yeah, it should be over the thousand. So this shouldn't even be in your head. This shouldn't be in her head, I'd say. So the fear of her losing account or losing should be really low. So this is where people get caught up. This stupid thing because they don't remind themselves that they're losing only 2% of their account and it takes forever for them to blow the account. Actually, if you're using risk management, you shouldn't even be blowing your account at all if you use this properly. So it's not the mindset of not you know not risking or the edge is the fact that she doesn't believe in herself that she could only pull 2% every single time. So now it comes down, the problem is discipline, not following the rules. And this is how I get people. This is how I could figure out people problem. This is how I could figure out their lies as well. Because a lot of people lie to themselves. Oh, I trade the same trade every single time with the correct risk every single time, with the correct TP every single time. But why is the outcome negative? Someone is lying. And then when I got the pictures, I tell them to show me the pictures, the edge is not consistent every single time. The TP, they jump out sometimes too early, or they don't really put the same TP every single time. And the risk, when I look at the money that they lose every single time, is completely different. So that means this whole time they think in their head that they're doing the same thing every single time, but they're not. And then when I show it to them, they're like, oh, yeah, that's a problem. That's one of the biggest problem, and that's one of the biggest problem in the forex industry as well.